Stop recording video. Button.
Alright guys, so for that person in the comments who said that they wanted me to vacuum the stairs with the hose, then here's that requested video. Anyways, I got 4 videos to do anyway, so I figured let me do that. I was thinking out earlier because
Till right.
sorry for my dad playing bad guitar in the background. Daddy, I'm recording. So just give me a sec, guys, to get it all set up, and then I'll be there. Let's do it. There you go. So I'm not quite sure if you meant the hose, if you meant like just the plain hose, or if you meant the brush. The hose with the brush. But this is how I'm going to do it, with the brush. If you didn't want it like this, just comment in the comments and I'll do this thing again with another attachment. But I think I'll do it with the brush. I had a brush, but it failed on me. So, yeah. Yep. So I'll probably have to move it closer, so I'm just going to let you go. Move it closer.
Stop recording video.
That's probably it. Alright. Guys, here we go.
Focus on light. Image. Double tap to focus.
Get all that crap from those cracks in it. If you don't put anything on the stairs. So you want me to clean the stairs with the hose. So this is what I'm doing. Alright? Again, I'm not quite sure if you meant just cleaning exactly with the hose. Hold on, I'm going to have to stop again.
Picture. Viewfinder. Take it. Stop recording video.
That should be important now. Anyways, again, I'm not quite sure if you meant just with the hose and the only, if you meant with an attachment, but today I'm doing it with the brush. But, that's why I'm doing the thing here that I'm going to use the brush. But again, feel free in the comments to state out what you wanted. I know your YouTube username is Dream, who requested this. I'm not going to, I don't know your real name. If you don't want to give your real name, then you don't have to, but, you know. Oh, okay. What? If you want to give your real name to the public, which you probably don't, I mean, I was going to do it until I knew about these things that people do. And hold on just a second. I'm going to have to pivot the mouse just a second, so yeah. I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So now, we're going to know it should. Certainly do need a clean. I certainly need a brown head cream too. So I know I should probably get maybe a better movie software for making YouTube videos. I don't think so. But just a second, this brush is clogged. I'm just going to unclog it.
Stop recording video.
And there we go. So the next iMovie is that I can take different videos. So like, for example, guys, I can, so like, the vacuum turned off between one of those clips. But it just looked like the vacuum was turned on. That's what I was aiming for. The vacuum was turned on. In just a second, the brush was like doing the same thing. Here we go. So guys, I know, just like started another clip. I accidentally hit the side button on my phone, which can stop the video from recording. So I know my videos don't look good at all. So I'm not quite sure. Tell me how they look though. So I can, based on that data, I'll be able to improve some of the videos. Tell me how you think they should look. Using just an iPhone 7 and have no idea or clue. Like, because I'm visually impaired, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I know it's probably because of camera person or something like that, but I don't feel like it. You know, different people that can do it. People that can do it. Again? Okay, we're back now. Alright, so this is the top wrap. And we are done. Alright guys. So I'll just end now. Bye.